Hi and Assalamualaikum everyone. Today we are going to talk about term life insurance versus whole life insurance. Before we start, let me introduce myself. I'm Iman Jasmine and matrix number 08DIN24F1085.
My name is Chong Zihui. My matric number is F1101.
And my name is Nurul Ismahani binti Nunhati. My matric number is 08DIN24F1040.
Okay, first we will start with term life insurance. In term life insurance, we will cover scope of cover is duration, payout, also expiration. First is duration, cover specific numbers of years. Second is payout, that benefit pay if the insured dies during term. And lastly is expirations, policy expires if insured survive terms.
Term life insurance features. The first one is low premium, entirely low due to temporary protection. The second one is flexibility, can be renewed or converted to permanent contracts. The third one is low premium, premium increase with each new term. Underwriting for term life. The first one is application. Submit application with personal and health information. Second one is medical exam. May require medical examination. Third one is risk assessment. Insurer evaluates risk based on provided information. The last one is policy. If approved, policy issue for specific term. Claims procedure for term life. The first one is notification. Beneficiary notifies insurer of insured death. Second one is documentation. Submit death certificate and claim forms. Third one is review. Insurer reviews claim and verifies policy status. The last one is payout. If approved, death benefits paid to beneficiary.
Okay, so right now we will move to whole life insurance. In whole life insurance, scope of cover is have three. First is duration, second is premium payment, and third is variations. First is duration. Pay some insured upon death or certain age. Second is premium payment, normally paid throughout life. And lastly is variations. Some policy have limited premium payments period.
Next, we have whole life insurance features. First, we have lifelong protection. It's coverage for entire life. Next, fixed premium, consistent payment throughout policy term. And lastly, we have cash value, accumulates over time. Then we have underwriting of whole life. We have 4 steps. The first one is application. Submit detailed application with financial information. Second step, medical exam. It's often require comprehensive medical examination. Third step, financial review. Insurer assesses financial status and long-term ability. And the last step is policy. If approved, permanent policy issue with cash value component. Last but not least, claims procedure for whole life. First, we have notification. Beneficiary notifies insurer of insured states. Next, documentation. Submit death certificate, claims form, and policy dates. Next, review. Insurer reviews claim, verifies policy and cash value. And lastly, payout. If approved, death benefit and cash value paid. Lastly, we have insurance documents comparison between term life and whole life. Document application for term life is basic, but for whole life it's more to detail. Next, medical records. For term life may be required, sometimes not, and for whole life often required. Policy contracts is for term life specific term, but for whole life, lifelong coverage. Next, beneficiary designation. Term life is included, and same goes to whole life, it's included. Next, we have cash value statement. For term life, it's not applicable, but for whole life, it's included.
We get it. Life insurance isn't the most friendly subject to understand, and it's easy to get overwhelmed by the crazy amount of information out there. Not to worry, because we're here to walk you through the two types of life insurance, term life and whole life. So both term life and whole life plans provide a payout for death, terminal illness, and sometimes total permanent disability and critical illness. But there are key differences. A term life policy contains no cash value, while a whole life policy has cash value, which comes from the investment returns of the insurance fund. This is also why term life policies can be up to 5 times cheaper than whole life policies. When you buy a whole life policy, you're paying more for the insurance company to invest on your behalf. Also, whole life covers you for life, while term life covers you up to the age of your choice. And it's less flexible to terminate a whole life plan prematurely, as you would get back less in cash than what you had put in. This is unlike a term life plan, where you would have only paid for the cost of your cover, which would have been much cheaper to begin with. Here at Money Owl, we're advocates for the more affordable option, term life insurance. We believe insurance should be for protection rather than to save or invest. After all, if you're looking to grow your money, there are better investment products out there. Remember, financial planning isn't just about planning for the future. It's about ensuring you have enough for a meaningful